In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an item as pending on Facebook Marketplace. If you're in the middle of working out a sale with a buyer, marking a listing as pending is a simple way to let other people know the item is not fully available at the moment. It helps reduce extra messages and makes your listing status more clear. To get started, open the Facebook app on your phone and go into Marketplace. Once you're there, look for your profile icon or the selling section, depending on how your version of the app is laid out. From there, select your listing so you can see everything you currently have posted for sale. Next, find the specific item you want to update. When you see the listing, either tap the three-dot menu next to it or open the listing directly. The exact layout can vary a little depending on your device, but both options should bring you to the controls for that item. Once you're in the listing options, choose Mark as Pending. If Facebook asks you to confirm the change, go ahead and confirm it. This updates the listing status and tells potential buyers that you're currently arranging the sale with someone else. After that, check the listing status to make sure the update went through. It should now display as pending. That label is useful because it sets expectations for interested buyers and shows that the item may no longer be available, even though the sale hasn't been fully completed yet. If your plans change later, you can always update the listing again. For example, if the buyer backs out or stops responding, open the listing one more time and change the status back to available. That way, other buyers can know the item is open again. And if the transaction is completed successfully, you can return to the same listing and mark it as sold instead. This helps keep your marketplace profile organized and prevents people from continuing to ask about an item that's already gone. A good tip here is to update the status as soon as possible whenever anything changes. Keeping your listing accurate can save time, avoid confusion, and make the selling process smoother for everyone involved. And that's all it takes to mark an item as pending on Facebook Marketplace. As you can see, it only takes a few taps, and it's a helpful feature when you're actively working with a buyer.